Have you ever wondered, if you were given 24 hours in a destination such as Mykonos Island, what would you do? For a moment, let's just imagine that you have to spend one day in Mykonos. Perhaps you are on a cruise, or you took the wise decision to include a stopover in your business trip itinerary. Regardless of the reason, if you find yourself in the fortunate position of having one day in Mykonos, then you need to make the most of it. Wandering around Mykonos town can turn into a little adventure of exploration and discovery.
Hora is a sofaholic's wonderland where cute boutiques offer their sophisticated treasures right next to tourist shops filled to the brim with made-in-Greece souvenirs. What's even better is that you can simply pretend that you are not shopping at all, you are just on a sightseeing stroll on a truly unique, traditional Greek island.
The multi-photographed Mykonos windmills are found south of Hora,
overlooking the sea and the famous Little Venice. They were primarily used to mill wheat. Nowadays, this landmark is the main attraction for capturing some amazing photos for your Instagram feed. Little Venice is one of the most famous and charming areas in Mykonos Island. The area got its name as its picturesque setting next to the sea is reminiscent of the Italian city. It is a colorful neighborhood with wooden balconies hanging above the sea. From here, you can enjoy one of the most beautiful and romantic sunsets in all of Greece.
The beaches of Mykonos are very famous for their golden sand and their clear crystal water.
There are so many different kinds of beaches that every traveler will find his perfect place. If you want to party, then Paradise Beach and Super Paradise Beach is for you. If you want a more relaxing beach, you can head to Kaloli Vadi, Elia, Ornos and Lia. If you're looking for privacy, you can go to Kapari or Agios Sostis. For a trendy beach with celebrities, go to Psarou Beach. If you're looking for a trendy place, you can go to Paranga Beach or Ftelia Beach. Having drinks and dinner by the beach is a great opportunity to escape the bustle of Mykonos town. For such a small island, there are plenty of beach restaurants to choose from. Relish in a unique culinary experience right on the sand, where you can enjoy relaxing moments as well as delicious fusion and Mediterranean flavors.